Welcome to ElephantEcoUniverse. On this channel, we educate and we entertain. Have you ever heard of that very rich, deep, sonorous sounds that elephant makes? Almost like a roar or a growling. But they are not lions, so they don't roar. No, they don't. Instead, they make a deep, powerful sound, and this sound is called a rumble. These rumbling are very low frequency sounds. And this sound is known as infrasound. Infrasound, yeah. They are often so deep that humans feel them more than they hear them. These sounds can travel from 5 to 10 kilometers, 3 to 6 miles through the air, and even further through the ground as vibrations. It is not a noise. No, it's not. I call it intelligent communication. Lions roar is loud and dramatic, but when an elephant rumble, it is quiet, it is deep and far-reaching. Now, why do they make these sounds, these rumbling sounds? They make these rumbling sounds to communicate. For communication over long distances, just like a phone call. Families also use it to bond and for reassurance. Also for emotional expression and socialization within say adult male and female during mating. When they are happy, they make these sounds. When they are excited, they also make this sound, even when stressed or when they are in danger. Yes, they make these sounds when they are in danger. Those ones are usually strong rumble sounds that they make when they are in danger from predators like humans. It is not just a sound, no. It is a language of giants. It is a language of giants. These animals, these elephants, these creatures, these gentle giants, they are so intelligent that they can make this kind of sounds. They communicate through the ground.